What you do should be gripping, which Dive manages to create that interest. It sort of generates and stirs the minds of the people.
For the past 4 years, I am watching our shows. Every year, it's improving and it's tremendous.
हमारे जो इतना बड़ा धरोहर है, इतना बड़ी हेरिटेज है, लोगों तक पहुंचाना वो बहुत ज़रूरी है। लोगों को भी उसको अंडरस्टैंड करना उतना ही आम है, और ताकि जितनी बारीकी है, सटलिटीज़ हैं, सेंसिटिविटीज़ हैं, वो सारा उन तक पहुंचे और वो अपने में उसको डेवलप कर सके।
रोज मुबारक चढ़िया रांझा साडे वेड़े वड़िया, हथ खूंडी मोड़े कंबल तरिया, चाका भी मैं वर पाया रांझा माल।
There is so much happening in the field of arts today, not just in the performing arts arena, but in the field of visual arts and in your field, the films. And I think all this influences a whole generation of people, and it's very important that all this be channelized and properly presented.
विभीषिका के समाज में, इस डरे हुए संकुचित समाज में मैं बहती गंगा सी जो जन्म देना चाहती थी एक अस्तित्व को, जन्म देने से इनकार करती है।
के आवा फूलों ने जगझाड़ शेकी, निर्दोष आवा शिशु काज राज्यो फूटे खपे ने खमता जया जयो।
It's a very wonderful experience, especially after 24 years with Anveshna. I really have my privilege to perform under Prasiddha Foundation, and I really appreciate the way they encourage artists, especially young coming groups and with young versatile dancers.
For me, art is not just art. Art is something that you live with, art is something that you grow with, and art is something that you respond to from your heart, not from your intellect. It humanizes you, it sensitizes you, and it makes you a better human being, and therefore a better society, and that is very important.
saw many things, many puppets from different states.
It had a huge impact on children, primarily because the animation was very well done, and it was also a live performance, so there was also this sense of wonder that it was one person out there on stage doing it live and doing something that was so fantastic.
It shows that kind of fresh culture that Australia produces at present, and Tim has put together this wonderful display.